Dance, Abby, dance for Mama.
No.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
No, Mommy. I don't want to go.
What's that, honey?
I don't want to go.
What to do?
I don't want to go.
Nak, is that your daddy, Nak? Yay! Napaka-materialistic ko daw kasi bili daw ako ng bili ng mga ganito, ng ganyan. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog. Today is Thursday and it's 1:40 ng hapon at nagla-lunch break si ate nyo ngayon. Dito tayo sa kwarto nag-open ng ating vlog kasi si Daddy Mike ay may kausap sa phone sa trabaho niya. Kaya very maingay sa labas. And ngayon ay hinihintay lang natin ang ating lunch. Did you remember na sinabi ko sa inyo last time na nag-video call kami ng aking mga colleagues for a catch-up sa trabaho, ganyan. Di ba sinabi ko noon na yung boss namin sabi na if ever may mag-birthday, ay sagot niya yung pakain. May pakain si bossing. Birthday kasi ng isa sa mga kasamahan ko sa trabaho. Kaya free yung aming lunch today. So, nag-order kami ng Uber Eats. In my case, yung in-order ko is yung Nando's. So, chicken and chips with pita bread and all. So, by the end of the month, i-reimburse yan siya ng kumpanya. So, mababalik din sa amin yung pera. Which is very nice, right? Kasi kahit hindi kami magkasama, meron pa rin kaming salo-salo. Andito na siya. Oh. Here it is. Nando's. Ayan, oh. Umuulan na naman sa labas. So, ito yung in-order ko, guys. Meron tayong Coke, meron tayong pita bread, and meron tayong chicken. But guess what? Nakalimutan nila yung chips. Tingnan nyo, wala nang nakalagay, oh. Very clear naman talaga na merong chips. Ayan, oh, regular chips. Ah. Anyways, maglunlun na lang taan ni karog chicken. Ako itong ipa-refund, uy. Sayang. Hi guys! It's that time of the day na naman. Pipick upin na natin ang ating baby girl kasi 5:00 na. And before ako pupunta, actually hindi pa siya 5:00 guys. Kanang 5 minutes before 5. Pero aalis na ako kasi magpapagasolina pa ako. Anyways, Daddy! I'm going. So hindi sasama ang ating daddy na naman guys kasi alam niyo naman na hindi pwede. So ako lang yung ako lang yung pupunta. And si Daddy Mike naman, hindi naman siya mag-drive na siya yung mag-pick up kay Paris, diba? Alam nyo na yung rason kung bakit hindi siya nagda-drive. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood, guys, yung video namin na bakit hindi nagda-drive si Daddy Mike. Ilalagay ko yung link here. Diyan para makita nyo rin. I'll see you soon, guys. Na ako, guys, oh. Yung nilagay ko na gasolina, $50. 42.4 liters. Ayan. Tapos, bumili na rin ako nito. Pang snacks ko. Ayan. Paris, wants to open the door?
Okay.
Okay. Come on.
How can I want to buy a bag?
Put it in the bag. Okay. Open. You 1, 2, 3. Good girl. Paris, push that one. Good girl. Push. There's lots of... Careful. Dance, Abby, dance for Mama.
No.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
No, Mommy. I don't want to go.
What's that, honey?
I don't want to go.
What to do?
I don't want to go.
Are we going? Where's Daddy?
House.
Huh?
Daddy's house.
Daddy's home. Come on. No. Uy, alin na kayo makasabanta. Baby girl, alin na kayo? Daddy's waiting at home na.
No, Papa!
It's hard. Again. Pull. Good job. Wait. There you go. Where's Daddy?
Daddy's cooking dinner.
Daddy's cooking dinner.
They're cooking dinner.
Go run to the car. Careful. Yeah, Mama's got something for you. Are you excited? Did you see the worm today?
This is Sunday.
Huh?
This is Sunday. This Sunday. Me not touching Mom.
No touching the worm, Sarah Jane said.
No, my touching the mom.
Did she say no touching the worm, Paris?
This is Papa then.
Paris then. Mama will throw this in the bin first. Come. Come na. Where's the bin? Show Mama the bin. There.
A red one.
Yellow one. The big one.
A parrot.
Oh, that's dirty. Don't touch that. Come on now, let's go. See Daddy. Run. Malapit nang mag 6 o'clock, guys. Kaya medyo madilim na. Yee, excited na yan siya makita yan, Daddy. Ooh. Knock. And he knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat-tat. Call Daddy.
Daddy!
Say, open the door.
Open the door.
Please.
Please.
Okay, open the door, please.
Hold on, Dad, 1 sec. I'll give you a call back in. 1 sec. Hey! How was my baby's school? What was he doing at
Say
school?
good.
Was school good? Say yes.
Nakauna agad, oh, ang TV ng kanyang daddy, oh.
Say yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
What did you do? Did you play on the bike?
Daddy put on the bike.
Did you climb on the slide? Did you run the slide? Whoa!
It's 5:52 na, guys. Nakauwi na kami. Obvious. Obvious ba? Nandito ako ngayon sa kwarto kasi chinek ko yung ating mailbox and meron tayong natanggap, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo, ha. 2 yung natanggap ko. This is the first one. White mini dress lang siya. Tingnan nyo, oh. Super ganda ng kanyang pattern ba. Super cute. I-try ko, guys, tapos pakita ko sa inyo kung anong mukha niya pag nasuot na. Super nice talaga. In-order ko sila online kasi nga, di ba, na-mention ko na sa mga previous videos ko na close nga yung mga shops, so hindi kami makakapag-shopping. So, yung nangyayari, nag-online shopping na lang kami ni Daddy Mike. Ito yung natanggap ko today, and the other one is this. So, who loves Mickey Mouse? I really love Mickey Mouse, guys. Yung shoes ko, ayan, oh, Mickey Mouse din. Ayan. Ito-try ko rin to siya, guys, para makita nyo. But it's very nice. Sobrang ganda talaga. Actually, may share pala ako sa inyo, guys. Nung video ko pala na yung nagbili ako ng mga jewelries online ba, may nag-comment, sabi ni ate na napaka-materialistic ko daw kasi bili daw ako ng bili ng mga ganito, ng ganyan. Nasaktan ako, guys, kasi nasabi ko naman sa inyo before na tao lang din naman kaming mga nagba-vlog. May puso din naman kami, may feelings din naman kami. Kapag nagko-comment kayo ng mga masasakit na salita, nasasaktan kami. Sobra akong nasaktan kasi alam ko naman sa sarili ko, guys, na hindi ako materialistic. Kung bumibili man ako ng mga gamit, mga jewelries, mga sapatos, mga damit, mga ganyan, it's because I think I deserve it. So alam nyo naman kung gaano ako nag-work hard, guys. So I work full-time. I do YouTube as well. Sa lahat naman siguro ng hard hard work na ginagawa ko, I think I deserve to buy things for myself. Kasi it gives you satisfaction pag nabibili mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo at hindi lang yung mga bagay na kailangan mo. And in my case, guys, yun ang nga sabi ko, I work so hard. Kaya minsan, nire-reward ko yung sarili ko. And by saying that, reward, ito yung mga gusto ko. Yung gusto kong damit, yung gusto kong sapatos, yung gusto kong jewelries. At hindi naman sa ginagastos ko yung pera na wala ako. And also, wais naman ako kung magbili ako ng mga gamit. Hindi naman sa I spend more than what I earn. If that's the case, then it's a problem. Kasi bakit ka naman gumagastos ng pera na more than what you earn, diba? So kapag gumagastos ako, guys, alam na alam ko yung budget, alam na alam ko yung limit ko. Sobrang saya kasi, guys, pag nabibili mo yung mga gusto mo. And also, pag nagtatrabaho ka, ganyan, it gives you more motivation. Parang nakakapag push pa siya sa'yo para you work harder pa. And also naman sa mga damit, mga sapatos, at kahit everything naman, hindi ako nasasayangan kasi pag hindi ko na sinusuot, I have my family in the Philippines na nakakasunod. Nagpapadala naman ako ng mga balikbayan boxes and all. So, hindi talaga siya nasasayang. Basta alam ko lang sa sarili ko na hindi pera ng ibang tao yung ginagamit ko at alam ko yung limit ko. Alam ko na wala akong masamang ginagawa. Kaya sobrang nasaktan lang talaga ako sa comment ni ate na materialistic daw ako. Pero alam ko naman na iba-iba talaga yung opinion ng tao. At yun yung opinion ni ate. So sana nasihan siya sa comment niya na yun. Na nasaktan na ako. But anyways, itatry on ko na sila ngayon, guys. Dalawa lang naman. So very quick. So ito yung shirt, guys. Ayan. So, sobrang kasya niya talaga sa akin ba? Oh? Ito yung gusto ko kasi okay lang sa akin na mag-online shopping ako kasi alam na alam ko yung size ko. So, this one is in size small. Ayan. Sobrang love ko talaga itong Mickey Mouse na to. Maganda yung print niya, guys. Oh. Ayan. Tapos, gustong gusto ko yung kulay niya. It's so me. Ayan. Tapos, I can just wear it like this. Ganyan. In art. In art. Ginamit ko yung ring light ko para may light tayo kasi sobrang dark. Ayan. Oh. Tapos yun lang shoes. Oh, ganyan na. So that's the first one. I really like it. This is the second one, guys. Oh my god. It's so cute. Ayan. Oh, gustong-gusto ko yung length niya kasi hanggang dyan lang talaga ba. Oh. Tapos white pa siya. So nice. Tingnan natin sa malapitan yung kanyang ano. Oh. I really like the material and all. Super love. Palis natin ng shoes para makita natin ang whole look. Ayan. B. Oh. Diba? Bongga! I super love this one. So, ayan na, guys. Meron pa pala akong isang try-on haul na gusto ko talagang i-film, guys. But, it's been months now na hindi ko talaga siya na-film. And yung mga clothes na yun, binili ko from the website na Shein. And hindi ko pa talaga siya nagawa ng video. Nak, is that your daddy, Nak? Yay! Party siya yung daddy. Party kasi mong daddy na. Nagi. Outfit be in the mirror? Wow! Wow! So, susuotin ko na lang ito muna, guys. Habang magdi-dinner kami. Let's check the food. Tingnan natin kasi...
Chip!
Ah, chip! We'll see if it's there. Open. It's there! Come, bring it in. Oh, anak! Bring it in.
you go.
Yeah, bring it in. The other one too. Put it on the table. Ayan.
Pizza!
Is it pizza? Yes, it is. Si daddy namin na pinag-prepare ng dinner.
Pizza!
Hindi ka po yan. Pizza. Do you like it? Yes. Okay, what's this one? Ah, spaghetti bolognese.
Mommy.
Yummy! Ito na yung dinner namin, guys. Hindi pala nagluto si daddy. Did you cook, buddy?
Yeah, that's it. Pizza!
Wow!
So thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, like this.
Bon appetit! You need a hair clip, do you? Ay! Ay, nabasa na lang.
It's flying down.
Wash the face na.
It's flying.
Wala ay naro eh. Taka. See, they brush their teeth. You should brush your teeth too. Good girl.
I don't.
Up, down, up, down. This is the way I brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. This is the way I brush my teeth. Good job. Well done, honey.
I'm gonna wash. My wash. No, it's mine.
Okay. Yay.
It's inside.
What is that? Is it clean? Be sure the man.
No.
Eee.
No, wash it. I'll wash the teeth.
I'll wash them more. Okay.
Put them.
It's clean now. Good job,
No,
Mom.
wash the teeth.
Good job, my love. Yay. Humpty Dumpty. Do you want to watch Humpty Dumpty? Huh?
No, Tito Pee-Pee.
Tito Blippi.
This is the dog.
With a dog.
Woof woof.
Woof woof. What's the sound of the cat? It's currently 9 o'clock na pala ng gabi. Nandito kami sa sala kasi yung daddy niya ay nakatulog na. Sabi nga ni Daddy Mike sa akin kanina, very tired daw siya. Kaya natulog siya ng maaga. Yeah. And kami ni Paris, ayan, binihisan ko na siya. Nag-toothbrush and all. So, ready na siya for bed, but manonood muna siya ng Blippi konti while I am closing this vlog. So, i-end natin yung vlog natin dito, guys, kasi matutulog na kami ni Paris after nito. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng ating mga subscribers na hindi nasasawang sumuporta sa ating channel. At also, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga positive comments nyo, lovely comments nyo. Binabasa ko lahat and it makes me really happy. Kaya, super thank you talaga. We're just gonna do a quick shout out, guys. And the first shout out goes to Nori Aliada, Rosalinda Cumba, Daya Magallanes, Lina de los Santos, Lynn Ahmad, Niltor Cosmiano Morales. Shout out to Ida Harin and also the family in Singapore. Shout out to Jonah Rees, Our Life Australia Philippines, Kusha Basham, Ritz Cape, Lee Kitchens, Lisan Bansil, Rosemary La Rosa, Lilia Vibal, Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez, Myla Bitasolo, Edna Bartulay, Susie Olarte, Milagros Alihaga, Sylvia Mamalia Sambilad, Vilma Reyes, Elvie Montealegre, Marie Therese Buhisan, Jing De Ases, Monica Beltran, Laura Año Nuevo, Cristel Lugsanay, Arte Lo, Carlota Papio, pinapanood, humahanga ako sa mga sinasabi. Shout out to Jambi. It's Joe Wondering. Jeannie Febricero, Mary Ann de Guzman, Janet Gordon, Maria Luz Floremonte, Tudora Algas. Shout out to Chari Tamayo, Lori Lee Absede, Nenya Awa Agosto, Joanne Ambe, Emily Jean Maguan, Annie Tai, Rosie Hiromo, Irene Panorel, Arlene Ondag Leonor, Welma Belarmino, Amay Vargas, Tess Arellano, Mary Jane Subere, Debbie Altora, and Jennifer Galicia. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
go for bye.
thank you. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.